Hey everyone, it's Karen, and you want to get into high-ticket affiliate marketing because you know it's a profitable business model, but you want to know how to pick a high-ticket affiliate marketing program so that you can make the most amount of money, right? What I can tell you is I've been marketing for 12 years and I've seen a lot of high-ticket affiliate marketing programs, and I've made good money with these programs, but definitely some are better than others as far as building a long-term sustainable business. So I'll be sharing with you 5 things that I look for in a high-ticket affiliate marketing program so that you can save yourself heartache and a lot of money. But make sure you stick around till the end because I'm going to share with you very valuable information that my mentors share with me on how to become a millionaire. So let's go ahead and get started right now. The first thing you want to look for is the product. You want a high quality product that actually helps people, not something just to make money. And believe me, I've been part of high ticket affiliate programs I've made good money with, but when I look at the products in the back office, I can't believe how poor they are. Basically, they just piece together products so that the business opportunity look legitimate with the FTC. What I want you to understand is that if you sell products that have no value and just for the business opportunity, you're not going to have a happy customer. You'll probably get refunds, and it's not worth it to sell crappy products just to make money, and not to mention how it could damage your credibility. It'd be like buying a franchise or store or a retail store and then you find out that the products are super low quality and you spent all this money. And when you pick high quality products and programs, they're likely to be around a lot longer. And some of the high ticket affiliate programs that don't have high quality products go out of business very quickly. I've seen it happen many times, unfortunately. The next thing I believe is important is that you do research on the company owner and see if they have integrity. It's not always possible to find out about the company owner, but if you can't even find the name of the company owner, that's a red flag right there. I've been with companies that all the owner cares about is sales and do whatever it takes to secure the sale. And then I've been with companies, for example, the high ticket affiliate program that I promote now, where it's just the opposite. Do you know how you feel when someone's just cut from a different cloth, so to speak? I'm going to share with you the story of an integrity of an owner. Not too long ago, I became friends with one of the members of this high-ticket affiliate marketing program that I promote. She's always positive, full of energy. You know those kind of people, right? You can just tell their energy, just what they write on Facebook. But her and her family got COVID. And her kids recovered and she did not. She passed away very suddenly just about a week or so ago, like right before Christmas. She left behind a daughter who's 17, 2 sons, ages 10 and 13. And I'm guessing that she really doesn't have, her children don't have support other than her because her 17-year-old daughter had to drop out of school, get a job, and take care of her brothers. Now she's going to be raising them. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for a high ticket affiliate marketing program that meets all these criteria, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. So the company owner not only posted in our Facebook group asking people to contribute money to them if they could, but he also said that he's going to be coaching her daughter until she has success. Like just on his own dime, he's going to be coaching her and providing her whatever support that she needs until she's successful. And I don't know of any other company owners that would do that. At least I haven't seen any out there. So you want someone who has vision and that goes beyond making money, and someone who treats people right, treats them like family basically, and that's what I've seen with this company owner. The next thing you want to look at is the commission structure. Now, high ticket commissions are generally $500 or above, and you can make anywhere from 30% all the way up to 100% commissions. I will tell you though, in my experience, the 100% commission high ticket affiliate programs tend to have the lower quality products. That's just in my experience. I'm not saying it's all of them, but that's just the ones that I've come across. Look also if the commissions changed. I've been with programs that started out at maybe 50% or higher and then go down to 30%. And they change the name of the company, they change the products in the back office like all the time. That's something that you should look for also. So when you promote a product that's $500 to $1,000 commissions, you only need a few sales a month to replace your income. I promote a high ticket affiliate program that pays $2,000, $3,000, and $5,000 commissions. So for me, 3 to 4 sales a month would replace my income, and I've been a physical therapist going on 32 years now. The next thing you want to look for is a value-driven sales funnel that actually converts into sales. And there are sales funnels out there like ClickBank products that are very hypey and all they do is pitch, and a lot of those have paid actors. But if people see that it's not legitimate, it's not going to convert into sales. And you want to have a sales funnel that actually teaches people something, not just sells them. And so that's something that you want to go through and just see what the sales process is like. The next thing you want to look for is closers, because if someone is going to spend $1,000 or more, they generally have questions and they want to make sure it's legitimate. And most beginners are not good on the phone, they can't close sales, so you definitely want to look for this. But you want to make sure that they're not high pressure closers that actually listen and care about people and not just make a sale if it's not a good fit. You might have been on the receiving end of a closer that was very high pressure, and there's nothing worse than that. And you just want to make sure that you have the right people that are your customers as well. You also want to make sure that there's training that will help you actually find the right buyers, because I'll tell you, there are premium buyers out there. You just need to learn how to find them. In my personal opinion, free Facebook and YouTube organic traffic is the best for beginners, because even though it can take you longer, you can build an audience. And what I can tell you is I've been with high ticket affiliate programs that teach only paid marketing, like solo ads, text message marketing. And in my opinion, that's a recipe for disaster, because the quality of that traffic is low and the likelihood that you're going to be making a sale with that traffic is low as well. So you may spend a lot of money on joining a high ticket affiliate program and even more money on traffic and never make a sale. I've seen that happen a lot, unfortunately. So as a beginner, even though it can take longer, in my experience, free traffic is better, not only because it results in sales and it allows you to build a long-term business, but then you don't run out of money with paid ads. Then when you're making good money with free marketing and have learned the skills that actually get results, then you can scale up and be making 6 and 7 figures consistently, because then you can target your ideal customer with these paid ads who actually has the money to buy these high ticket products. Does that make sense to you? Now let me share with you some advice that my mentor shared with me on how you can become a millionaire. And I'm just going to read through this here to make sure I get it right. Why most people will never get results. I want to share a major reason I've learned to be able to make millions of dollars online. Ready for it? Drop your ego. Years ago, when I made no money, I would get a mentor, go through their training, do my own process by changing things I thought would work. Notice I said I thought would work. I'm always looking at people who get fast results and people who continue to struggle over and over again. It always comes down to 2 things. Number 1, lack of focus. They're always distracted, following many people and always looking for what is easier. They never learn to pick just one business, one mentor, and follow their process for 1 year. They follow everyone and try many methods together. Number 2, they think they know better than their mentor. This comes back to ego. When I made no money, I would do the parts I want and ignore the rest. Then I started mixing things I previously learned from other courses, thinking this would work better. Guess what happened? I crashed and burned. If you want to get fast results, then pick your mentor and listen to what they tell you to do. Don't try to mix in your own methods. Don't try to do what you think will do better. Don't try to get super creative until you understand how things work. If you're not making $50,000 to $100,000 a month, then you don't know what you're doing. If you make $50,000 to $100,000 a month, you still don't know what you're doing. Drop your ego and always be the humble student, and you will keep leveling up. If I've learned one thing after making millions online, it's that I can always get better, and I never let myself think I know everything. So when my mentor tells me to do something, even if it makes me massively uncomfortable, I just drop my ego and do it. Because the reality is he's made $30 million and I have not. So I'm not going to ask him to do something different or suggest what I think will work best, because if I knew what would work best, I would have made $30 million too. Make sense? You can continue to do what you think will work and keep repeating the same cycle and never grow. I know what my choice is. What about you? And my mentor has made millions of dollars, and he has that humble spirit about him. He actually paid $100,000 to his mentor recently, and he's learning from him. And again, he said he drops his ego. Whatever he says to do, he does it. and that's his advice on how to become a millionaire. So I hope you found value in this, and do your due diligence and see if the high ticket affiliate marketing program that you're looking at meets all these criteria. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation again for the high ticket affiliate marketing program that I recommend that does meet these criteria, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check it out if you like, as well as the bonuses that I offer there as well. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up. 5 reasons why 95% of people fail with affiliate marketing. I think you get a ton of value from it. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.